Here's a look at the October 2024 issue of Municipal Sewer and Water. Brought to you by RinnoVision. When you need to inspect a manhole but your camera truck is on another job, call on the RV Max 360 from RinnoVision. It offers 360-degree views, 4K video, and remote coding options. One operator, no confined spaces, and better results. Problem solved. Visit RinnoVision.com. On the cover, we visit Sonoma Valley in California. They're taking on a massive trunk main replacement to cut leaks and boost system reliability. How'd they do it? It's kind of a boring story. Waukesha, Wisconsin faced a serious supply challenge, but a groundbreaking agreement now brings Lake Michigan water to the city. Discover how they secured their future with this historic deal. What can a mountain bike trail teach us about sewer systems? More than you might think. See how a simple video campaign transformed public perception of water and what that might mean for your own service offerings. Reducing non-revenue water is crucial for utilities. Discover how Kansas City is slashing NRW with SmartCap leak detection technology on fire hydrants. Does anyone on your team know CPR? CPR training is one of those better to have it and not need it skills. Discover how advanced data loggers and smart sensors can streamline your operations, track levels, detect issues early, and boost efficiency. From battling stormwater backflow to upgrading water management with smart AMI systems, these case studies highlight solutions for common industry challenges. Thank you for watching, and thank you for reading MSW. See you next month.